Another thing which needs to be mentioned once again is the question of the translation of غلبت الروم في أدنى الأرض وهم من بعد غلبهم سيغلبون. When this question was raised in presence of some other friends from Kababir, I was surprised to see rather uncertainty on the faces of all the Arab friends and sisters. They thought Adna means closest. It does not mean a small thing. So while I had translated it a small piece of land, غلبت الروم في أدنى الأرض وهم من بعد غلبهم سيغلبون. So I was sure I was right, but I didn't remember any reference to support my translation. Now I present this evidence from Hazrat Imam Raghib, the last, the final authority, the top authority. Hazrat Imam Raghib, discussing the meaning of Adna, says that this also means small, insignificant, and the opposite number is Akbar. So Akbar Adna. It doesn't mean distant, it may also mean distant and closest. But the first meaning which Hazrat Imam Raghib presents is with reference to the Holy Quran. We have يوتو بأدنى طارة من الأسقلية تو हो गया ना कुरान की भी आयत है वला अदना मिन ज़ालिका वला अक्सर. The Holy Quran says वला अदना मिन ज़ालिका वला अक्सर, and this verse evidently proves that the word Adna cannot be translated as closer, smaller, and Aksar is more, greater in number. Similarly, Taratan an ardale anil ardale fayuqabalu bil khair. Also, Adna means something valueless as compared to something which is valuable. So that I wanted to correct, that this verse does mean, this word Adna does mean small piece or an invaluable, comparatively less valuable thing. And in the context of that verse, this is the meaning which should be applicable. And with that, the time ends.
Also mentioned Surah Al-Baqarah, تستبدلون الذي هو أدنى بالذي هو خير.
Adna and Khair, this has been mentioned. This is exactly what Imam Raghib has mentioned. Not also. This is exactly what I presented before. Right. Now the time is over, so I'm sorry that you'll have to wait for another some time before I finish my answer to the question which you raised, right? With that we take leave of our audience and viewers. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.